Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. Wow, good evening everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Okay, so now I'm in the Stary Rynek. And then I think that this is the day of opening of the Christmas market in the Stary Rynek. Okay, what I see is that the people are already starting coming and the attraction are already, you know, opening stalls and everything. And I see and I see that on the left, on the right side, there's so many people. Now it's about 5 p.m. It's already dark, and then yeah, people are keep coming and coming. So I'll show you how it is, the Christmas market in the Stary Rynek. It's actually there, over there, the carousel. Oh my goodness. Wow. On the left, on the right, that's the attraction. Actually, what the people are waiting for. I don't know, when I see this carousel, I feel like I got a dizzy. And that's the Wrocławka street. I will go there later on. But first of all, we will explore this. Oh my god, they turn around so fast. I feel so dizzy already. Oh my god. And here, and the thing is that during the Christmas there are no sitting outside. Yes, obviously, because it is cold. That's the town hall, the city town, the town hall actually. And yeah, I'll show you around what they sell. Oh, okay, and here, what they sell, the sweets. There's so many kind of sweet. Like this one.
Where I want to go for change. Where?
And there, over there, where the people, you know, can stand and then enjoy the food. And here, Fragola, the chocolate fruit. Looks like this. So these are good. That's the corn dog. And then the churros. Interesting. And here is the mulled wine. Okay. Okay. People are queuing buying the mulled wine. Mulled wine. Beer. Hot chocolate. Look at the colorful. And here in the middle, I think that's on the ice skating. Right, so behind me is the mulled wine, and then that the town hall. That's the one that I always make mistake. Forgive me, I read a lot of sources and then I don't know what happened and then I mix it. Okay, so I'll show you actually around, maybe because today is the first day opening of the Christmas market here. What I can see is that many people are coming, but they are still on preparation for the stalls and the show. So yeah, the same like in the Platz Wolności, that it will be turning around and around like that, the mulled wine. And here's the middle is the ice skating. Oh, they already put lights on. Let's see how it is. I never been in the ice skating before. Many people are here. So yeah. The Christmas music is already on. I see. Interesting. And the penguin probably will be dancing. And here is the town hall. And what I expected, probably you know, many small wooden stalls selling something, but I think only the ice skating there, and that's the milk one and the small stalls. That's it. And that's the restaurant on the left, on the right side. Yes, pretty. That's it for the Christmas market. Maybe we'll be coming more soon. I'm not sure. Let's keep walking. Yeah. This is how it looks. It's pretty cold. It's about -4 degree, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, on the right side, the restaurant, you know, I think that they are more into eating inside because obviously it's cold outside. So we were there actually, and basically the Christmas market in the Starry Rinek, I thought that it's gonna be like, you know, around like this. The stall, the wooden stall with selling so many Christmas products just around, but actually the Christmas only that part, just like a few meters that part, and that's the ice skating over there. That's it. And I think that all the stalls with the food, interesting food or Christmas products, will be in the Plac Wolności over there. Yeah, as you see that, that's the Ferris wheel, that's the Plac Wolności, and where the many people are coming from. This is how it looks on Saturday night. Okay, so we were there in the Starry Rinek. I just walked through, and here is the Plac Wolności, the Ferris wheel. And the thing is that, look at the traffic jam. Oh my god, it's so packed. It's very busy. Okay, everywhere are people. Many people are going to the Plac Wolności. So yeah, let's go. And here is the Ferris wheel. And look at the crowd. Whenever I see the balloons like this, reminds me of the, you know, night market in Bali, right? So obviously the biggest Christmas market is here in the Plac Wolności, as you see on the left, on the right side. I think that I was there with Damian to showing you how it is. So, and I think that because you already watched what is it there and what's the thing, because the Christmas music so loud, and then last time our video is just like muted for a few minutes because obviously copyright of the Christmas music. So, and you know what the people sell there. Maybe we just keep walking to show you how it is from the outside. I don't know, I feel like I got a headache when I see so many people. You can see that from the mulled wine, and that's the attraction. People just buy drinks and standing outside. Okay, let's show you a little bit how it is inside. As you see, it's very busy on the left, on the right side. Many people. Okay. And people are queuing to buy this mulled wine. Okay, right. So, okay, I just decided to show you a little bit how it looks here inside. Okay, you see, so many things. You see, I cannot record anything. It's simply, obviously, busier. Wow. Yeah, people are mostly coming here to shop. The chocolate, nice. Okay. Right. I'll show you. You see? Oh, you see now they dress up like Santa. I think that we bought this one last time. Okay. I just recorded quickly because the Christmas music is so loud, and then I'm afraid that I will get a copyright again. Yeah. I think that the detail of what they sell you can watch in the previous video. Okay, I just decided to go to the Plac Wolności and showing you how crowded it is. And let's see what it is there. Okay, I think this one is the miniature of what's actually the Christmas and everything. And here, oh, this is the selfie spot of the Bethlehem Poznański. Okay, the queue to make a picture is so long, and I think this one is the best spot people take selfie. You see, on the left, on the right side, this is how is the thing actually, people making pictures, and I think this one is the best spot to show you how is the crowd here in Plac Wolności. Right, so I'll show you also from the another side how is the crowd actually here. Okay, so this is it actually, the situation during the Saturday night. I'll show you how it looks, the Starry Renek. So if you are planning to come to Poznan, especially for looking the Christmas market, I'm really a big fan of Christmas market. So yeah, that's the center is actually in the Plac Wolności. In the Starry Renek is just like little bit only the ice skating that I think that is interesting in the Starry Renek, and the rest is actually in the Plac Wolności. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. I'm walking home actually. Here is the Swente Marcin Street. As you see that the traffic jam. Oh my god, I really hate traffic jam, and yeah, that's why I just going out. Okay, see you next time. I'm on the way home, and I see again the tram, the Bimba. Oh, this one. Oh my god, so full. Oh my god, I was planning to get inside. Okay, right, the Bimba is full. Okay. Oh, too squeezy. You see? Oh my god, it's so squeezy.